In this set of video, we are trying to evaluate expressions with rational exponents. To make the job simple and easy to understand, I have provided you with a table here right on the top, which gives you values for 2 to the power of x, where x is from 0 to 10. Now we will use these values to get the answer for our questions. Now when you see them 10 times, I hope you will remember some of them. It's kind of important for you to remember what is kind of 2 to the power of 3. You should know it is 8. 2 to the power of 10 is indeed 1024, kind of kilobytes. 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. It helps. So when we move on to exponential functions, I'm sure you'll appreciate this method of learning and remembering things. Let's start with a very simple example, which is evaluate each expression. The first one is 8 to the power of 1 over 3. So what you can do is, if you see the table, you get 2 to the power of 3 is indeed 8. So 8 to the power of 1 over 3, or cube root of 8, should be 2, right? That makes sense. So we'll write 8 cube root is 2. So that is one way of solving this question. Let me do an alternate way. 8 to the power of 1 over 3. Now, can I write 8 as 2 to the power of 3? Yes, I can. 2 to the power of 3 is indeed 8. So we'll write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. And then we have to the power of 1 over 3. Now applying the laws of exponents, we can multiply them, right? So we get 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over 3. And that gives us 2. So again, we get the same answer, 2. Well, this method is a very preferred method. We'll see its importance soon as we progress to the other two questions. I hope you understand this method, right? We'll apply the same steps and see what do we get for the next expression. So we now have 1024 to the power of 1 over 5. 1024 is 2 to the power of 10. So I'll write 1024 as 2 to the power of 10, and then we have exponent 1 over 5. Laws of exponent, they get multiplied, so we get 2 to the power of 10 times 1 over 5, and that is indeed equal to 2 to the power of 10 divided by 5 square. 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? So we get 2 square, which is 2 square is 4. So we get our answer as 4, right? So that is how we can get the answer. I hope you're getting how we evaluate exponents of kind of rational exponents for the given numbers. Now let's get into 256 to the power of 3 over 4. Well, you can always use your calculator to do these calculations. But without calculator, these tables can help you, right? 256 can be written as 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 is 256. So let me write 256 as 2 to the power of 8. Then what do I get? So the expression becomes 256 to the power of 3 over 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 3 over 4. Now applying the laws of exponents, these are power of power, we get 2 to the power of 8 times 3 over 4. Let's simplify. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. We get 2 to the power of 6. What is 2 to the power of 6? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 8 times 8, 64, right? Getting back to the table, 2 to the power of 6 is 64. Well, at this stage, it kind of looked odd. We were referring to the table again and again. But remember, you will soon know these values. When I say 8, you will know it's 2 to the power of 3. When I say 1024, you will know it is 2 to the power of 10. Well, if you know it is 2 to the power of 10, then 2 to the power of 9 should be half of this, which is 512, and half of 512 will be 256, which is 2 to the power of 8. Well, the idea is, let's get to know exponents of 2. And then we'll know exponents of 3 and 5, and then move on to rational exponents. And that way, we'll be in a good position to evaluate and solve expressions and equations involving rational exponents. I hope you appreciate it. Subscribe to my videos and see how we can explore and answer some difficult questions, starting with simple concepts. Thank you and all the best.